108 Tips to Learn English. Tip 6. Animals and Pets. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Give your like and share it with your friends. Land animals. It's a bear. It's a dog. It's a cat. It's a horse. It's an elephant. It's a cow. It's a rabbit. It's a monkey. It's a lion. It's a giraffe. Important. It's an elephant. It's a giraffe. A before consonant. An before vowel. Land animals walk and run. It's a bear. It's walking. It's a horse. It's running. It's a lion. It's resting. Aquatic animals. It's a fish. It's an octopus. It's a shark. It's a crab. It's a whale. It's a seal. It's a starfish. It's a seahorse. It's a walrus. Aquatic animals swim. It's a whale. It's swimming. Aerial animals. It's a canary. It's a bat. It's a toucan. It's a parrot. It's an eagle. It's a goldfinch. It's a duck. It's a dove. It's an owl. Aerial animals fly. It's a dove. It's flying. Pet. For animals, it. For pets, she and he. She's Dolly, my dog. Her puppy is Luna. She is Lady, my cat. Other animals. Zebra. Kangaroo. Camel. Boar. Snake. wolf, fox, deer, hippopotamus, pig, jaguar, rhino. Grammar. Verb to have. Present tense. I and you. Have. He, she, and it. Has. We, you, and they. Have. Past tense. All persons. Had. Past participle. I and you. Have had. He, she, and it. Has had. We, you, and they. Have had. Present participle. I am having. You are having. He, she, and it is having. We, you, and they are having. Important. Verb to have as main verb. I have 2 pets and Mary has 1. Verb to have as auxiliary. Mary has had 2 different pets this year. Past tense, already happened, completely finished. Example, he had 2 pets. Finished action in the past. Important to have. Past participle, already happened, completely finished. Example, he has had 2 pets last year. Finished action in the past. Important, last year. Present participle, already happened and continues in the present. Example, he's having 2 pets since last year. Exercises. It's a canary. It's a horse. It's a fish. It's a snake. It's a dog. It's an owl. It's a cat. It's a shark. It's an elephant. Crossword. Bear. Rabbit. Elephant. Seal. Cat. Octopus. Goldfinch. Shark. Walrus. Crab. Wolf. Toucan. Owl. Monkey. Parrot. Starfish. Lion. Pig. Horse. Rhino. Jaguar. Kangaroo. Snake. Fish. Camel. Canary. Eagle.